Good morning, pregame crew. How are ya? Hope you're doing well. Hello, Greg. Hey, Shake and Bake. Hey, Night Truck, Skyper, Rachel, Topher. Hey, Spaceball, Jill, Bullstrike, Cheetah, Jeffrey, Tess, Sir Fernando. Good morning, good morning. What do we think of silver? Daily inside bar, we're inside Friday's range. Nice squeeze on the daily. Weekly higher high. Plenty of room for a weekly higher low. Plenty of room for a daily higher low. And we just set the 4-hour higher low. That was about a 70% retracement. So a 4-hour lower high is the more likely scenario compared to 31.79. So bears will be looking for a lower high compared to 31.79. Otherwise, pretty healthy chart. Thanks, Jill. Intel did what we thought it would do. It's amazing. I love technical analysis. NNE. Nice daily, nice daily equilibrium. 32.39 is resistance. Volume is good on it. We spiked up above resistance of 32.39 in pre-market, and then we're giving it all back. Bulls want to hold 29.49, which is Friday's high, as support. In order for potential continuation, you have to protect and defend 29.49. Thank you, Night Truck. Hey, Jody, Sam, Fat N. Hey, Dollar Tree, Jungle Cat, Jeffrey, and Hector. Yeah, Intel is beautiful. High compression squeeze, bull break into gap fill of territory. The gap fills at 34.36. 34.36. Gap rules apply. We need to defend 32.34, Friday's high, as support, and bulls are in full control. Let's see, what do we have to do to take the monthly bear flag off the table? Let's see. Yeah, bulls need to get up to past $36 to take this monthly bear flag off the table, or the potential. Wait. Miscalculation. Please hold. Yeah, $38. So bears have a lot of room to work with on the monthly chart. Let's see what the bulls can get done here. I have Intel as a Queen of the Mountain trade looking for a back burner. Save. Somebody needs to save this chart. $318 is the low from May. And we're heading back down that way. No sign of bulls anywhere. Potential 4-hour bear flag. I'll officially get started in 6 minutes. I'm just taking chart requests, trying to get warmed up after this weekend. Hey, Train Man Dan. Hey, Charm Man Dan. Success. Hi. PLTR is gapping up. This morning, Hector, we're gapping up to a new 52-week high. We're getting over that 27.50. Your next resistance is 28.38. Beautiful move, beautiful chart. I don't think joining the long trend up here makes any sense because you're chasing. I think you could look for a back burner because it's definitely had a strong move on Friday, strong move in pre-market. I think you could definitely keep it on 5-minute back burner watch. Intel and PLTR are actually my two back burner trade setups for today for Queen of the Mountain. Eek. Yikes. Potential daily head and shoulders. Yeah, you can really see it on the 2-day. Left shoulder, head, and now we're bouncing for potential right shoulder. On the weekly, a higher low is possible compared to 65.73. We're in a daily downtrend. Bounces are for shorting until bulls prove otherwise. 75.64 is your daily resistance. GRMN, Garmin. Well, don't you look cute? Good looking chart, potential monthly bull flag. Gapping up. Does it have news? Yeah, the daily chart looks sweet. We're getting stuck on the 50 MA. We need to get up above 164.37 to change the daily trend back to bulls. You're welcome, Jeffrey. Google has a red open right now. It got a new all-time high on Friday. We hit 5-minute oversold in pre-market and 15-minute oversold in pre-market. So this back burner trade is kind of busted because it happened during pre-market and not regular trading hours. Yeah, it's new all-time high on Friday. There's nothing bearish about new all-time highs. Nothing. AMD's breaking out with Intel, the two semi-laggards. Nice channel break from this downtrend over 166.45. And now bulls want to see Friday's high hold as support 174.04. 174.04. Bulls want to see that hold for potential bull continuation. Man, I'm getting through a lot of charts this morning. AMC looked tight on the hourly. Yeah, this had a high compression squeeze when I looked at it earlier. I personally don't like the name, so I don't trade it a lot. But you have plenty of room for a daily high or low, potential daily bull flag. And mega tightening range on the hourly. Opening up in the middle of Friday's range. Yeah, hit the like button, folks. Y'all ready to get this party started? Let's do it. Good morning. This is who I am. I'm Chart Gal Lori. I'm part of the Chart Guys community, and we teach technical analysis. If you want to give me a follow on X, formerly known as Twitter, you can do that with my handle at Chart Gal Lori. That would be lovely. What I do here every morning is I show you this table. Not every morning, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I show you this table where I'm looking at all the different correlations and how they're fitting together, the puzzle pieces, if you will. And overall, we're looking more bullish than bearish this morning. I was watching Seinfeld in Mexico, and it was in Spanish, and I started learning some Spanish words, but they were all sarcastic. terms. Anyway, I digress. We're looking more bullish than bearish. Overall, economic calendar is pretty boring today, but tomorrow we have Fed Chair Powell be testifying tomorrow and Wednesday. We have CPI on Thursday and PPI on Friday. That is not a light econ data week. And also we have bank earnings kicking off this Friday, kicking off the second quarter earnings season reports. That starts this Friday. All right, let's look at the indices. Say it with me, folks. There ain't nothing wrong with new all-time highs. We are 75 cents away right now from a new all-time high. It is bullish. ES is bullish. NASDAQ, we're right up here near Friday's high. We got within $2 of it. There's nothing bearish about new all-time highs. RTY, just a different animal. We do have a daily high compression squeeze. Yeah, we're still gapping up on the daily on IWM. So on a pullback, as long as bulls defend the high of Friday as support, bulls are in control on this gap up open if the gap up holds. IWM being down here bothers me. One second while I organize. I want to put that right there. So we are gapping up. Let's see if IWM can hold this gap up. We have plenty of room for an hourly higher low on the next pullback. Hey, my friend Nugget. All right, so on the 4 hour, we have enough room for a higher low as well. On the Russell, is the Russell going to join the party? It looks as though it is. We're crossing over on overbought on the hourly chart. Technically in a daily downtrend, when you get overbought on the hourly, that could be a time to top fish. I don't know that I would top fish this just yet. I feel more comfortable buying a pullback than going short here. Dow is up $65. The Dow has a squeeze on the daily. We're still inside Friday's range. We are not at all-time highs here. We do have a 4 hour trend change to the bulls. This looks great. It's all about 39781 and then 39819. This looks very good. VIX is green. We're beaten up here at the daily 50 MA is at 1302. We came within 11 cents of the daily 50 MA. Bears are looking for a daily lower high compared to 1326. Yeah, on the next push up, a bear could be shorting 1291 top fish. Hang Seng was really red overnight. DAX is slightly green at the moment. Bitcoin, okay, we just got through Friday's high. We need a little bit more follow through on ES. So Bitcoin had a great bounce overnight, has made enough room for an hourly higher low, and has made enough room for a potential 4 hour higher low. But on the daily, this still looks like CRAP. There's a ticker for you. So Bitcoin looks like CRAP on the daily chart. Still could be a daily bear flag below the daily 200 MA. I'd be looking for overbought conditions to top fish. Look at that one. Look at that 15-minute reverse back burner right there. Right there. It hit. So you could still be looking for overbought conditions to potentially top fish Bitcoin. Ethereum, plenty of room for an hourly higher low on a pullback. Plenty of room for a 4 hour higher low on a pullback. Daily double bottom. Daily still looks like CRAP as well, below the 200 MA. Oh, hourly grazed overbought on Ethereum. Yeah, I would be looking for these overbought conditions to top fish crypto until crypto bulls prove that they're in it to win it with actual trend changes. And by the way, all of you out there, stay cool. It is hot. I see that Shake and Bake was talking about Athens, 97 degrees. It's going to be over 100 where I am today. So yeah, getting pretty hot in here. That's a Nelly song, right? I think so. Okay, hourly downtrend on the dollar. That helps the market. It should help gold. We'll go take a look at that. Daily downtrend on the next push up. Bears are going to be looking to top fish dollar. Gold. Gold is not benefiting from this dollar weakness. This is a potential hourly bear flag. And on the next push up, bears could be looking for a potential 4-hour lower high on gold. I noticed that GDX was giving back that entire move from Friday. We're down here at the lows of Friday. Gold bulls, wake up. Nat gas is trying for a bounce, 4-hour trend change. This chart looks like crap as well. Hourly uptrend. You have new support here at 2304, 2304. I don't like this chart still. Resistance 2405. No real setup I see. Unless you want to do reverse back burners on nat gas. Apple gapping up to new all-time highs. You know, Apple right now is just dropping the mic on all the bears saying, I told you. I mean, Cook still has his finger on the buy button, it appears, and Buffett. That's just me guessing. But as long as we hold Friday's high as support, bulls are in control. All right, Amazon. Amazon, $200.50 has just become a problem for Amazon. Bulls want to see continuation to a new all-time high above $255. Right now, we just have a daily double top and a 4-hour tightening range. Yeah, Tess, y'all have humidity though. Ugh, not a lot of humidity here. Travis. Oh, I don't know why they deleted Travis your comment. Travis says this chart looks like crap. Where else can you get this kind of truth bomb? And Nightbot, I guess, doesn't like the word crap. Sorry, but you made me definitely giggle over that one. All right, so Amazon, we're opening up inside Friday's range. 4-hour tightening range. Nvidia got an upgrade this morning, so it went red to green. We're back inside Friday's range. We broke the daily EQ to the bullish side on Friday, but not a lot of follow through. Bears are looking for a potential 2-day lower high, while bulls are looking at this potential weekly bull flag and drooling. So this still could be a potential weekly bull flag on Nvidia. It's just taking a break. And as I like to say, even prisoners get a break. Every day they get a break. So Nvidia, it's okay if you take a break too. Tesla on fire. Hourly EQ holding the EMAs just fine. Tesla's like screaming, I'm done. I'm not going to take it anymore. So what we did on Friday, just to show you, we got a new high on the year. So the high for January was 45125, 45125. Right there, that was the high for January. So we have a new high for this year. And the candle went from red to green. So this candle was red on Friday and we just went red to green. Tesla, I wouldn't mess with these bulls very much. I did short Tesla successfully on Friday, but I will be watching option blocks to see if they're attempting to squeeze Tesla like they seem to do on Mondays. We'll see. But if I had to trade one direction, I would be looking to the downside due to the size of this move, just huge move. I would like the short better if it were gapping up. Intel. Let's sing it. This chart is on fire. We are in gap fill territory. The gap fills at 34.36, 34.36. The daily high compression squeeze broke higher for the bulls. This still could be a monthly bear flag, so we don't need to get too cocky as bulls. Gap rules apply as long as we hold Friday's high as support. Bulls are large and in charge. PANW, so you can see here, Intel, I have a position, so that's why I have it pulled over to the left. This is where I put my charts that plan on trading at open. Intel is one of them, and PANW is the other one. Looking long on both. Look at this high compression squeeze on PANW in this tightening range. 4 hour, we have a high compression squeeze, and I'm looking to the long side. We have gap overhead. 359.82 is where the gap fills. That would be a target for a swing long on PANW for this potential 2-day bull flag. You don't have humidity? Huh, that's interesting. PLTR is on back burner watch after this big gap up over resistance to a new 52-week high. As long as Friday's high acts as support, that is a long signal. So PLTR, back burner watch. Roadblocks, I had to dig to find a short today, a short idea. So we have roadblocks gapping up. One second, I got a message from admin. I just want to make sure. Okay. Sorry about that. So we're looking for a weekly lower high compared to 41.04 on roadblocks. It is gapping up. If it loses the high of Friday as support, that would be a short signal. So that would look something like this. If the bulls lose that support and bears protect Friday's high as resistance, that is a short signal on roadblocks. Rivian, I don't think I typed this one actually in my notes. I did not, because I was on the fence about this setup. Still on the fence about this setup. So, Rivian had that great Volkswagen news and popped up, unable to close above the daily 200 MA and gave a lot of it back. We do have a nice long lower wick of bulls buying this dip on Friday. We're still stuck below the Friday 200 MA. This hourly chart is getting real tight. To me, this just looks like some really, excuse my language, pissed off bulls that are saying we're not going to lay down and take this anymore. That was dang good news, and we're going to show you bears. So over 1486 would be a bull break, and in my opinion, a long signal. Below 1435 is a no-go. The idea is busted. So we shall see if we can get a Rivian trade today. Good morning, Austin. Welcome back. If y'all could hit that like button, that'd be great. I actually have time for more charts if you so need it. I did Ethereum. I did SPY. CELH was another one that could be a short I was looking at, but it's already dumping in pre-market, so missed that trade. Looking at this 4-hour high compression squeeze breaking to the downside on CELH. Looks like you're losing daily support now in pre-market. You're looking down at 52.26. What's Netflix doing? This chart looks crazy to me. Look at this. What a recovery, huh? Amazing recovery. We're not at all-time highs, though. 799. Everybody and their brother will be watching this level. Matter of fact, I'm going to set another alert. 690. AMD, I already looked at. It had that channel bull break on Friday. Is having some bull continuation in pre-market. Bulls want to defend 174.04, the high of Friday, as support. As long as that's acting as support, bulls are large and in charge. They're holding the hourly 12 EMA. Yeah, AMD looks great. I would keep AMD on back burner watch along with Intel and PLTR. It is pretty amazing how Bitcoin miners have held up compared to Bitcoin. It is. Dan's been all over that one. Weekly on Tesla. It's bullish. That is one heck of a candle. Almost a Maribozu candle. Almost Friday's candle. No, excuse me. Last week's candle. We went almost 26% last week on Tesla. What a beast. I had calls from last Monday. I sold them on Tuesday or Wednesday. It's like, dang it. But I'm not a bitter Betty. Keep it moving forward. What's the next trade? IWM, inside bar last week. Daily, nice long lower wick of bulls buying that dip. Daily resistance 177.98 and then 178.46. I don't have clarity on this chart as far as which direction I would take it. It is in a daily uptrend. That's great. But this pullback was more than what the bulls would have liked to have seen. And then they were unable to get over 178.46. So tighter we go. All right, I'm going to wrap it up and I'm going to go boot up the stream for TCG members.